Hello traders, it is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July the 28th and taking a look at the markets. Very ugly candle yesterday and the SPY, actually in all the markets, dark cloud cover, pretty decent volume, closing below that 10 period moving average. We are trying to gap up today. Some overnight China, big gap in the China stocks. I mentioned them yesterday. It's what I've been focusing on lately, and some earnings plays, but I'm going to maintain the China focus only because this rally in the China stocks may just be getting started. I mentioned IQ yesterday. I'm still liking this one. I'm still in this one. It looks like if it takes out this 583, it could challenge, this 630 over here, this level. So still liking that IQ. Let's see, another one that I'm really kind of liking is I think you have to watch BABA. Now that was kind of an ugly day yesterday, but it is gapping up to close to this 5-day high. You can see I have an alert there in BABA. Don't know that I'll chase it on a Friday, but I'm liking the way it's trying to break out of this wedge to the upside. Let's take a look at TAL. TAL, another China play. I think you have to watch because you got a key level up here around 685 that if it breaks out could get some momentum going to the upside. And DXCM is not a China play, and this is more of a pullback and an earnings play. Keep an eye on this one because it has a nice pullback and going into earnings, and it is gapping up above this 10 period moving average. So maybe watch that the first 30 minutes to see how it trades. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Keep it tight. Didn't care for that selling yesterday. We could see it again today, but have a good one, and I'll talk to you on Monday. Bye-bye.